I'm sorry. Burp. Woo! Thank you. Oh, frick, man. Out. He's stuck. Woo! Lord Balls, I listen to freaking everything. It's when I'm. Ooh. Just keep bringing the love. Ooh. Ooh. Oh gosh. This is why I don't eat in public. Holy crap. Some kimchi. Excuse me. I gotta make more room. Excuse me. And then these are little fish cakes. Oh. Oh, wait. Oh. Sorry, excuse me, guys. Excuse me. No idea. Some Korean spot. Ooh, excuse me. Hun, I am right-handed. Excuse me. Ooh, wait. Woo, excuse me. Woo, excuse me. Ooh, jeez. Reuse it. Excuse me. What's up, Ben? Excuse me. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Yo fuera tu gato, subieron
Excuse me. Man, big. Sorry, excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. That's literally all I got. Oh, jeez. Ooh. Oh. Excuse me. Ooh. That was deep. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's gonna come up. Shit. Oh. Can I do this one? Oh. Excuse me. I don't know what to listen. Thank you, Sean. Oh, this one's stuck. Jack Johnson. Oh, don't take my song. Oh. That. Oh, I threw it. It's in my link tree. You know, I'm live. I'm so sorry. Excuse me. I am 5. Thank you for the gift. Holy crap. KT, you're still. Woo!
What's coming with a plot twist?
Oh, frick. Sorry. Ball. Woo!
Her dad let you sit in his chair.
Can you? Excuse me. My bad. That was. I can't do it. I think I can't fit anything else. Andy. I don't want to get too full, so I don't want to chug it.
Bye. Bye.
That is so bad. Yo, that was crazy. Spot on, because I feel it too. Woo! What's up? Where's my dog?
Yeah.
Ooh! That's so weak. I hit a fat one too. Woo! was the best one. Holy cow. I need... Yeah, the last one. It's a good song. It's a long song. But oh, John, man, sorry you're eating. Ooh, wait. Woo! Excuse me. Woo-wee. That's one. Whoa. My stomach hurts so badly. I'm a hypocrite. Chris. Spit. If it's weird because like this ending when I inhale, so I go and then it forces one out. See? Good boy, Brady. Woo! I gotta watch Brady though. I'm wearing socks from Walmart.